FOSL stock analysis and price predictions for Friday. Let's end the week strong. I'm going to be breaking this down in this brief short 1-minute video, and as the only guy in this page with an actual track record of 45,000 videos, I've seen what's working for me and what's not, because I've documented them all. With Fossil Group, even the idea that I got was exactly that. I was looking to take it further up, but it just went without me. And all it kind of comes down to, for me, honestly, is still going to be the proof that I got here when I called it out. Like, it was sitting at a day ago, right? It was made on the 13th, right? Yeah, 13th of August, sitting 175. Now it's 240. Was not able to kind of catch that, but hopefully if it sort of pulls down and gives me a double break, I'll be freaking ready to pull the trigger in this one. But other than that, I'm not going to be buying randomly. So all I'm doing in the meantime, I'm just waiting for rules. And if you want to stay tuned and get free sales, click the first link in the description. I'll continue to keep you updated. Goodbye.